Namaste Bitia. This is Dr. Anil Vangani, Professor and HOD, Department of Repertory, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. Today I am going to take a practical class on Borix repertory, that how to use Borix repertory in clinical practice. For that, I am going to share my screen on which I am going to open Homepath Firefly software desktop edition. Here we go. So we are having a case of backache. Here I have typed backache, and on search we have found these available repertories or rubrics from these available repertories, but we want to use only Borix, so we can click over here Borix. So with Borix you can get 16 rubrics related to backache. But the rubric which we want is back pain in general, constant backache in locomotor system, not in other system. So this is our rubric, just double click it and it is recorded in the clipboard. Now the patient says exactly he's having backache in dorsal region. So you have to type dorsal over here, search, click Borix. Here you have got dorsal. So here you can find that in nervous system, hyperesthesia or sensitivity mid dorsal. This is the closest rubric which we can take. Here we have taken it. Now the patient says that his pain is worse after exertion. So backache, exertion is our rubric. For exertion, aggravate is our rubric. You have to select Borix over here. So you can see that in modalities, aggravation, mental exertion is there. So back, aggravation, exertion from in locomotor system is the exact rubric we want over here. So we have to select it by double clicking. Here, 3 rubrics are recorded. Now, patient says he is better by rest. Rest ameliorates. Borix, amelioration rest in modality or in locomotor system. You can also take in locomotor system or in general. Back amelioration rest from, this is the closest rubric. Here we have double clicked it. Now for asking concomitant, we have asked the patient what other complaint you experience along with this backache. The patient says that he feel vertigo along with this dorsal backache, which has no direct relation. So we type over here vertigo and go for search, and we apply boric over here. So this is dizziness or vertigo. In general, we can take, or along with locomotor system, we can take. So we are searching for locomotor system, whether there is vertigo associated with locomotor system. No, it is not. So here we have to take it. Dizziness in general. So double click it. Now go for repetization just by clicking at the top button. Here we can see Agaricus is carrying 8 points amongst 3 rubrics. Cocculus 8 points amongst 3 rubrics. Nux vomica 8 points amongst 3 rubrics. Calicarp 7 points amongst 3 rubrics. Now on further differentiating these remedies, we got to know that our patient is chilly. Now Calicarb is chilly, Nux vomica is chilly, Agaricus is chilly. Other thing on asking, we got to know that our patient is having profuse sweating and weakness also. So here the Calicarb is the medicine in which there is a combination of backache, sweat and weakness. So Calicarb is the medicine in this case. So this is how we can repertorize by using Boric's repertory. So thanks a lot for being attentive.